Hello, myself Sunil Ramesha. This is Nikhil part of the language. Here, one person asked the question basically. Sunil, basically, in previous video, basically, you told that basically the rain basically which is going to fall in Mumbai basically or Vadodara city basically, wherever basically, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, basically, wherever they are connected with the natural item process basically. That basically we know, that we track basically. But here, one person asked the question basically when that natural item basically, for example, in Bangalore basically 20 lakh buildings basically exist currently. On the basis of 20 lakh building basically the 150 natural item basically is going to produce basically in the land basically wherever basically, and basically it's not near land basically, it's in, it might be in Russia, it might be in Europe, it might be in South Africa, wherever basically it might be, but it's not in India, that is 100% sure. So one person told that that's basically like this. So here one person asked the question basically, when basically the complete life cycle basically completes. For example, project life cycle basically is the SDLC basically, from project starting to the project execution, but then basically the project ends basically. Then the delivery basically everything happens. Then basically it comes to the maintenance basically. So that is the life cycle of projects. So how basically here basically the things basically works. For example, 20 lakh building is there, doing the natural item process, dumping at particular areas in Russia, in Africa, in Europe, basically in some Sri Lanka land. Like this, basically 150 natural item basically is doing the process. Assume that basically all natural item basically they are basically collecting it basically. So there basically the life cycle basically is over of the one this 20 lakh buildings basically. They have basically digged basically. So here basically how the season basically handles. So that's very dangerous question basically. So one person told that this answer basically only zoology group basically can do. What is the next process basically they are going to do? Because they might be everything basically, because they can't stop the process basically. They can't take the break also here basically. The process is always ongoing basically. But it's a control by the human basically. So here basically they might have taken some pause basically. So next.